Yeah, this is the part. Whoops. This is the part you've been waiting for. You wanted to see how I was going to put these closet doors back. And I've got to get the top in first, so I've got to get it out far enough. Oh, the back one first. Now I can set it on the wheels exactly where it's supposed to go. And see, I had the handle here, and I remembered that was going to go up against the wall, like that. See, things don't have to be that hard when you just know how to do it. Okay? And this one gave me fits coming in, and I might have to raise the wheel up or something. I might have to reach down in there. Yeah. Wow. Boy, that's going to be a tight one. I did get it in there from before. Okay. What I'm actually hitting on there, what they should have done was made these just a hair shorter on here. Let's try it down here. There. So I had just a little bit more room over that way. Get that adjusted on the track properly. That's the key, to get these on the right places, and you'll get it figured out with yours. See there? Hey, you can't even see that cabinet. Now see, I'm going to open that, and I've got plenty of room to reach in there, to unlock that, to open this door, get my stuff out of there. I've got a little table in that fits right there, and it sticks out a little bit, but I'll still be able to open the door up about that much, and I can get all into that cabinet and get it right there and lock it up. And I could even put stuff in here. See, I've got another cabinet to do, and I've got only one more day here in Maui to go, and I think I'm going to have enough time to put that in the other closet. But if for some reason I don't, I can get that over here and slide it in here and leave it just right in here. I don't think I want to do that though, because I don't think it's any higher than about here, and if somebody opens this door, it could fall out on someone, you know. So I think I'm going to have enough time. I mean, overall, how long did it take me? Had I not ran the video camera or anything like that, it probably a couple hours, 2.5 hours maybe. And you don't even see it. Now, if you don't have a condo that you're going to rent out, maybe you've got an area in a kid's closet and you just need some extra storage, you don't want your kids to mess with it, buy a cabinet like that. This cabinet I got at Home Depot, my favorite hardware store, box store, and you know, Lowe's has them too. And this puppy right here will set you back a cool $100 bill. But you know, if you need something like that, it's well worth it. It's nicely pre-finished. You open up your closet, and that's what you're going to see back in there. Okay, nice. Hey, well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.